Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Spectrum Wi-Fi network suddenly disappears and is no longer showing up on your phone, laptop or other devices, it can feel confusing, especially when everything was working normally before. Sometimes the Wi-Fi name completely vanishes from the list, while in other situations nearby networks appear but your Spectrum Wi-Fi seems impossible to find. This issue can happen because of router glitches, signal interruptions, hidden network settings, temporary outages, or even simple connection problems that go unnoticed. The good thing is that in many situations, the fix is easier than people expect and only takes a few quick checks before your network appears again. In this video, I will show you step by step why your Spectrum Wi-Fi is not showing up and how to fix it. Try these. Step 1. Restart the Spectrum Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for a short time and turning it back on. Step 2. Move closer to the Spectrum Wi-Fi router to check if the network signal appears again. Step 3. Refresh the Wi-Fi list on the device searching for the Spectrum Wi-Fi router network. Step 4. Check the indicator lights on the Spectrum Wi-Fi router and confirm they look normal. Step 5. Restart the device trying to connect to the Spectrum Wi-Fi router in case of a temporary glitch. Step 6. Search again for the Spectrum Wi-Fi router network and confirm the Wi-Fi name shows up properly.